Feed the birds. So finally I got myself a 10-pound bag of sunflower seeds, which I know they'll like more than the bread I throw out from time to time. I'm here in Indiana, and I threw a whole bunch out next to the truck. They like the bread and the stale Tostitos chips I threw out earlier. I think they'll really dig the sunflower seeds. Tried to get bulk raw peanuts or bulk unsalted peanuts, but Meyer didn't seem to have any. So screw that. Hope they dig the sunflower seeds. I enjoy watching them out there. So there's that. Feed the birds. Feed them something good.